Today, you're going to learn something that everybody building an app in Lovable wants to know. How to integrate a paywall system so you can monetize your app. Be sure to watch this tutorial all the way through. I'll be covering the critical steps, including setting up an authentication system properly, connecting to the Stripe API, creating user flows for subscription, and most importantly, how to test your Stripe integration without using real money. Let's get started. To get started with our paywall with Lovable, we're going to build a directory for AI tools, and the paid features would be access to events, discounts, and more. But the first thing we want to do is build that directory feature, the free feature. So that's what we're going to prompt Lovable to build initially. The next thing we're going to do is connect it to Supabase. We're going to need Supabase to save information about the events, about the tools, about the discounts for the directory, but also to save user profiles. The reason we need user profiles is if we have a subscription, we need to know what users are paid and what users haven't paid. To connect Supabase, I've already created a database in Supabase itself. You can see it here. And all I'm going to do is going to go to Supabase here and connect to paywall and hit connect. Now it's connected. I can go back to my project. Another thing we want to do in Supabase before moving forward is enable sign up and login with email. So I'm going to go to Supabase. In Supabase, I am going to go to authentication. Then I'm going to go to sign in, sign up, and we can see that email is enabled. I'm just going to click into that, and I'm going to disable confirm email so they can sign up with their email, but they don't have to confirm it. And then I'm going to hit save. Now that's saved, I can go back to Lovable, and I can say to Lovable that I want it to create a sign in and sign up features. Now we have a basic landing page. We can improve on this a lot more, but this is a good template to start with. And we're going to hit get started or try now. And it takes us to an authentication page, and I'm going to sign up. And now we signed up, we can access the AI tools. You can see coming soon. Perfect. We can search the tools, and you can see that we can see the tools. Obviously there's no links, but there would be links in reality. Maybe we'll have an image with each tool. Maybe we have a category or categories to be able to filter tools. But what I want to do is have maybe a tab for events and have a tab for discounts, and only users that are subscribers can access the tab for events and discounts. So I'm going to prompt Lovable to create a tab for events and discounts and say this is only accessible to subscribers that are paid via Stripe. We're going to give this a try now that it's finished. So we're going to sign in, and we should be able to sign in because we signed up the last time. Okay, perfect. Now that we're signed in, we can see additional resources, discount, special offers. And now it takes us to subscribe now. This is not the pricing that we have. We have like a $4.99. So now we're going to integrate Stripe. I've already created the product in Stripe, and it's a test product. So we're going to integrate Stripe now. After creating a Stripe account, creating a test product. After creating a test product in Stripe and creating a payment link in Stripe, I've told Lovable that I've created a test product and I created a payment link. And then I told it I want to track subscription status and create subscriptions. And it's requesting to update Supabase because we need to track this in Supabase. So we're going to hit apply changes. What we need to do for this to work is to give Lovable our Stripe secret key. So we're going to hit add API key and then head over to Stripe and get our secret key. In Stripe, if we go to developers and then head over to API keys, we'll be able to see our secret key. Lovable has created edge functions for us in Supabase. It's updated UI components, and it has automated subscription status tracking. So we should be able to subscribe, manage a subscription, and access premium content. Now, I do think it's missing a link. I'm not sure if I given it the link, the payment link. So I do think it potentially is missing something, and now we got a build error. So we're going to see what the error is and how we're going to resolve it. We should now have subscription integrated. I haven't given it the payment link. I'm not sure if it needs the payment link. So we're going to see now whether it needs the payment link or not. To redirect it back to our application, we go to edit, and after payment, we want to redirect customers back to our website, and we put whatever our website here. I'm just using the previewer. So we're really directing back to the preview page, and just update link. We're going to test this again with a new account. So we're going to hit try now, and we're going to sign up. We are going to use a random email. And now we're signed up. If we hit events, we can see that we need the monthly subscription. We hit subscribe now, and it takes us to the payment page. We're going to input our information. We hit subscribe, and the user is successfully subscribed, and it redirects us to the page. We can see subscribed, perfect. And now we go to events, and we can see that we have our active subscription working as desired, where now the user can access events. We go back to dashboard, and they can also access discounts. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, or if there's anything you'd like us to build in the future, please leave a comment below. We'll love to hear from you. Be sure to check the link in the description to go to No Code MBA, a learning platform for in-depth courses in no code and AI taught by industry experts. And be sure to subscribe to the channel here for more free content on YouTube. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.